Good day, all. It's Turbo Dave here. Real quick video. This is about engines. I've seen a lot of engines where you go to buy them or they have them for sale. I see pictures of them, and there's no main caps where the crank's been held into by the caps. Understand that cylinder heads on an overhead cam, engine blocks where the crank bolts into, these are called machined parts. They're machined to that specific block. They're not interchangeable, although some manufacturers do a better job where you can interchange parts. And at that point, you really have to start measuring and seeing, is it close to standard? Are they all the same? And a lot of times what happens is if you have different caps, like say you bought an engine without the caps, the actual block is worthless unless you buy another set of caps and you send them in to be machined, so that way that it's called line boring, and that means that they're all straight together, because that's what happens when you buy them from when you buy a car, or if you buy a what they call a crate engine, an engine that's already been built. You buy it from the manufacturer and it's ready to go. That engine, when they made the caps, whether it's on the head for an overhead cam engine or for the crank to bolt into the block, they have been machined. Those caps and that block have been machined together, right? So they're machined to fit that block. Each block is different. It's kind of like a snowflake. Each snowflake is different. You can't just throw on a cap and go like it's gonna work. It doesn't work that way. So when you sell a block, I've told people, they're like, "Oh, you want the caps?" Absolutely. Block is worthless without the caps. So remember that, because I've seen way too many people trying to sell engines and caps separately. It makes zero sense. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Take care. It's Turbo Dave.